Fuck! Ooh, looks tacky. Looks wet. Everybody coming out of the trail, me and Mike going in. We either gonna have fun or we're gonna get fucked up. Ooh, buddy. Slippery. Oh, shit. Oh, it's fucking tires kicking up, man. Look a little wobbly there today, Mike. Only me and Mike today. No more jerk. In fact, I don't think he'll get jerk for a while. I think he give up trail riding. I think he traumatized already from falling down, so he ain't coming back. But that's alright. He can use his bike for go ride, go work, or your part-time job, delivering newspaper, Papa John's, whatever. So, still get a chance. That's what. Oh yes. Oh, I cannot stop. Holy shit. Oh, I almost fucking ended up on my ass over there. Oh, this is tire. Wow, somebody was climbing up that. Oh, you saw that? But it's fucking just been climbing up there. Somebody. Oh. The fucking.
Oh, right here?
Fresh there, bro. Look how steep. Fresh the track.
Are you sliding around?
Bro, I cannot stop. Yeah, I'm fucking.
I don't know if I have too much air or what.
Nope, same like you. Are you spinning all over the place? I'm doing the same shit. Right around the corner. If you like, take out a few more pounds, can.
Okay.
But
should we go look out?
yeah, up to you. Whatever. Or you like go.
Don't matter to me. I was just thinking.
Try them. If it's too slippery, then we just turn around.
Okay.
But I slipping and sliding all over the place. I'm doing the jerk. I'm doing the jerk. Slip out on that Honda Earthberg 250L. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my, watch out, man. Fuck yeah, I slide it all over the damn place. I feel like I don't know how to ride or something. He's doing half 360s all over the place. Better go easy on that throttle today. bad if my knee wasn't fucked up. A little close to the edge there. Looks like you need a little help. Oh, you got him. Traction now. I'm gonna be able to get warmed up today. Feel kind of weak. Whoa! Oh, I never like stop. Oh, that was slippery, huh?
Holy shit. Bro. I think it's the air. Too much air I have.
Take some out now. Fuck.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, just let out a couple PSI from our tire to see what happens. Because I couldn't stop for shit back there.
Today's conditions is pretty wet, bro. We'll be slipping all the way coming in. So today we're just testing out my spark plugs I bought. Oh, Unks got me some too, but we have, oh shit, a bunch of different ones. Trying to find out which one works for my bike. Try to take this. Yeah, since it's slippery, we're taking all kind of different shit today.
Oh, is Mike gonna climb it? Let's see. Oh, crazy. It's kind of wet. Oh, he made it. Son of a bitch.
Oh, that's responsive, bro. So we just took out air. It's feeling a lot better now. It's slipping. We'll go check out the lookout.
Oh, he is fucking wet.
kind of a little bit slick but slippery, so I think more better we just cruise them through the flats today. Just enjoy the scenery.
Can't go too fast. This fucker is wet. Look at that. See if we're gonna make it down here without falling on our ass.
Being very cautious today, guys. Pretty slick. Whoa, oh fuck. One day we're gonna check that out.
Oh, I saw that shit.
Oh, this is slippery, bruh. Fuck.
Oh no. He's not stopping. What the fuck's wrong with my tires?
Oh, shit. Oh, that route was nuts.
Oh, I can hear him. Oh, oh yeah, here we go. I don't know about this. I can see a skid marks, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh fuck. Okay. Oh, I could do it because I had that click, man. That's gonna be hard. I think you're gonna have to roll, so I'm gonna get out of your way.
Oh, okay. Got out of my way in a hurry. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Oh, fucked up. Broken right knee. Can barely press the brake. Just relying on my clutch and gear right now. Oh, that's why when you get areas where you get the California grass that is fucking just wet, slick. You can't even see the knobbies on your tire right now. Holy shit.
Oh, made it out. Holy shit.
Oh man, my turn. This is the part that I never like do. Oh boy. Not too bad. Got him. Got him.
Overpass.
Yeah, where we stay?
Or you let go clean out in the river.
Yeah, we're gonna play by the river a little while first and then. Oh, wow. Sailing. I guarantee my feet gonna get fucking wet. Watch, as soon as you get in there, the water just poof, all brown.
I hope I don't spray you.
I'm staying right fucking here.
Okay.
Bruh. Don't face them to me, bro.
Fuck!
Wow. Holy crap. Yeah.
I tried.
Gotta go slow. The water too deep. Cannot see.
Oh, bruh. I'm soaked, guys. I gotta buy new shoes, I think.
Oh yeah, he's in there. Supposed to wash your tires, not your ass, Mike. Slippery. I feel that shit. Ooh, wash the tire, wash the tire. I'm staying in a perfect position. My leg go in, but it did.
Oh, piece of cake. I gotta get out of his way.
Fucking soak my feet. Me and Mike call this trail Orange Street Trail. Sat down a couple times eating the oranges, but that fucking orange ain't worth shit. That's the one. Climb on, Mike. You fall, then I'm not going. Oh, sliding over there.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. He is killing me. Oh. Resistance. scratch my shiny fucking guard. Fucker. This might not look like anything on a camera, but this is super slippery shit in here. Fuck, almost lost it. Oh. Sorry, Mike, I thought you was in the back. Man, I know you're in the back, but I thought you was in the back of me. Looking for the bird or what? He had one damn good shot for shoot one baby pterodactyl, but I don't know. He's gone. The last time?
No, that was by our first crossing.
Fuck, I thought I saw a big bird fly, but I didn't know. Just get one log you gotta hop over there.
Yeah, that's the log, yeah. Pretty wet today, guys. What the hell? I didn't even see that tree, bro.
Wow, look at the water. Whitewater rapids all in this area. Wow. Oh, your fucking pond, bro. Mina. That looks slippery. Yeah, this looks like a slippery hill. Oh yes. We don't normally go up that way, we go the opposite way, but come on, Mike. You can do it.
Oh. Shit. Oh, nice. Nice, Unks. Super slippery.
Resistance.
Holy fuck.
Oh. I better go video this shit.
Unks, you went up there in first gear or second? Oh, he's gone. Okay. I figured out the moon.
See, Mike, when you hibernate for 2-3 weeks, you lose your touch, you know. Slippery, huh?
Oh, yeah. You went up in first or second?
Second?
Yeah, I tried 2 times already, second.
That kind. I can pull you a stuck mate if you like. Oh yeah, this is slippery, bruh. Whoa! Yeah, I don't think I can walk down.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna try one more time. But it's fucking dangerous.
Let's get as much speed as you can. Don't even worry, you fall over the edge over there, only get on pile of Easter eggs and shit, so you're not gonna get hurt. I don't know what the fuck Easter eggs doing there, but...
Oh, thank you. I think it's good now, yeah? Yeah.
Bruh, when you fell in that fucking river, you fuck up that KYB stickers, you gotta order a new one.
Oh, I did?
It's fucked up, yeah.
God.
Shit, it's the prettiest part about the bike.
No.
Look.
No. Oh.
Now, the thing cheap though, these ones are on order. I go look on eBay, I go send you the link. Also, you can order extra. Go and happen.
Damn. Oh.
Nah, yeah, it was cheap, you know, these stickers.
But the fork, does the fork look okay?
I think so, but it's aluminum. We can always buff them if anything.
Came through here before? I don't remember all those routes. Oh, we must have get our ribbons. The roots? Yeah. I didn't even know we came through that before.
That's the other one I was telling you, like, but
Check go left.
too wet and overgrown to try that today. Ooh, looks slippery in here. Oh, that looks bonus. The worst thing in here is these roots. These roots is so fucking slippery. You gotta watch when you ride over them. See, look at that. Oh, oh, oh.
Holy fuck! That log used to be straighter.
Almost end up in a river, bro. And you don't know what the fuck is in there. Okay, we're approaching Junior Slide Hill. Okay, next one gonna be Jur Slide. Oh, people just went straight the fuck up over there. That looks too slippery. Oh, here we go. Fuck, this is the next one. slippery. Wow, look at that water. Crystal clear. I think he's in need of some help, some assistance. Yup. He's doing the TM shuffle right now. Smart, smart. This kind of river look easy for cross. See this small?
Oh, shallow, yeah. And the little rocks is little.
Yeah, not like that. So you see now left over there, Mike? I think that fucker bring you around that way, you know. That's
First left, yeah.
I like do that.
The first left, I seen that today, just now.
I like do that. I like get on the other side, go around that way, come up by the houses. Fuck. So nice. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh, I almost fucked up on that one. Thank the Lord. Well, I still fucked up, but wow. I better reposition myself. Be careful there, bro. This is the part that I don't like. Fuck. Yep. I can't even stand up. This is the part where me and Uncle Jerry had a hard time, bro. I went right the fuck over that route, bro. I almost went over here.
You went that way.
See that route? I went to hit him. I went airborne. My back tire went slide. My plate went hit that. Look on top.
Yeah, straight.
And fucker went kick me this way. I got that shit on video. Bro, oh, but that would have been a hospital. I would have ended up in there.
That's why I went back. I said, fuck this.
This stuff part hard.
You need help pushing up to that part.
Let me try a little while more first. Fuck, I wanted to go this way. This is where I usually come, but I wasn't set up to go. Right along the edge.
You go all the way back.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sleeping. I cannot stand up. Yup. Telling you now, that's the pot. Stay all the way left, bro. You'll be alright. Nope. Oh. Too slippery.
Fuck!
Serious kind, Mike. Over here is really slip. Oh, you went down.
Yeah, I fell down. Fucking mud everywhere. I can't even stand up.
There you go. That's all. That's all.
You like pull him.
How you fucking use that in here?
Where's the other one? Okay. Yeah, at least we can say. Is that good? You need more? Okay.
Whoo, pulling up the marlin, ba.
Stop me.
Wait there, Mike. I cannot get this fucker. Oh, here are the holes.
Yeah, get.
Shit. Okay.
Okay.
Good stuff, good stuff.
Stock mate, baby.
Stock make work.
Stock mate work.
So Mike, when we get up here, we go up overpass. We go look the kind after Solar Farm Hill. If 2 knots,
Oh, I think that thing is 2 knots.
if 2 knots, I may consider tell you turn around and we ride back out this way. Damn it, kick me to the side. Oh. Oh, they came in here and fucked this up, bro.
I had to let go of the clutch. Fucking shit.
Let me get my bike out of the way, I come help you. Fucking bike. Oh, it ain't gonna work. Son of an asshole. So I gotta puck him in the water. Stay. Fucking bamboo. Poke somebody in the eye.
I think better I just restart.
I'm not gonna fuck around, I'm just gonna pull them.
Should have left it out.
Okay.
Good.
Good. Fishing tails. Fuck up, can't even walk on this shit, huh? There you go. There you go, you good. Put this damn thing back.
Thank you.
Put your fucking fishing line back.
Stuck mate. Twice in a row came true. Good thing I bought this damn thing. Oh, that's pissing me off. I cannot make these heels.
That day me and Uncle Jerk came was even worse than this, bro. Now you know what that poor bastard went through. That's why he said, fuck the trails. Oh, that's what we get for laughing at Uncle Jer, bro. Oh shit, my bike fell down. I never know. What the fuck? Did I fuck my sticker up now? Oh, thought I fuck up my KYB. Hey, somebody want to cut that tree? All that mud, and look how dry this hill. Fuck. All that mud, and look how dry the hill. Oh, watch out, Mike, you're on big rock, bro, over there. What the hell? Something over there when it kicked me up. Shit, I might go around this way. Oh, there it is, right there. I think this fucker made a couple voodoo dolls of us, bro, pulling our hair right now.
Yeah, for you.
I don't follow, I don't stop on this hill. Fucking rock.
Oh, that was third gear. Too slow though, third gear. Fuck it. It kicked me left.
Fucking bike never let you go where you wanted them to go, eh?
No, not today. I just rolled with it. I said, fuck it. Resistance!
It's a little tough. Yeah, that's slippery, bro. Fucking roots. Oh, he just keeps sliding to the left. Oh my God.
I'm falling down all kinds of places today, guys. Fuck.
Man, that's only the beginning.
Let's try again.
Yeah, I made poor Uncle JR come through all this shit, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Just start him already. I go yank that fucker. Woo! Bring them out here. Bring them out here. Good shit.
I'm really getting a workout.
I'm gonna give this stock mate good reviews. It'd be better if the motherfucker had one motor in here that pull yourself up by yourself.
Try to look for the winch. Too bulky.
Okay, I'm gonna try him here. If it's no good, I'm turning the fuck around. That's how you do it. Broke knee and all. Kick a wall. Kick a ass. Plenty grass. Oh, I don't know if I can come back.
First gear, baby.
There we go. That's the one. Oh, we get up Snake Hill, we be fine. Now you can go first. Let's get up that fucking hill, then break by the road. Fuck this.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, let me fix my car barking. Fuck it.
Oh,
What did it go crooked like that for?
I don't want to jinx it, but the bike is doing good right now.
Oh, there when you take a little hibernation, couple weeks off, and just gotta get back. Just gotta get back into the groove. Well, not too bad. A little bit dry. I'd only go down that hill. That's when we cleaned my fucking left-hand guard last time. What do you think, Mike? Must be wet there or dry? Tacky?
I have no idea. I think could be tacky, could be slippery as shit.
I was surprised how good this hill. Me and Uncle Jar couldn't come down that hill last time.
Oh, what the fuck, yeah?
Good. I don't know.
I'll let you decide.
I'm going.
Okay, rev for 3 times if you make them to the top.
Okay.
If not, I'll figure out a way to go around and okay. Oh, Oh. No. Not a good idea, bro. No can, Mike. No can. You slide in already. That ain't a good sign.
Yeah,
We go this fucking way.
I don't think so. Fuck. Up there, look good.
I know, but
Down here, cannot get.
you slide in like that. Fuck that already. Even this hill, I think you're gonna slide. Fuck, even here you might slide. Oh yeah, you got him. Oh yeah, climbable, climbable. Clear now. Everything is a breeze now. We'll stop by Powder Hill. I don't think this one should look too bad. Either way, no matter what, we in the easy areas already.
What we gonna do? Same time. Okay? Where we start. No, it's all good. Right on, guys. We're headed out. We're gonna go to the park, play with the drone. Just got a new drone, so I gotta learn that and make some videos with the drone. So looking forward to that shit. But if you guys made it to the end, stuck around, like always, appreciate the views. Wanna ask nothing more, just watch. Oh, and subscribe if you like. Chee! Right on, guys. Get you guys later. Shoot. We lied. Bonus clip. We have to hit one more hill before we went home.
This is our last hill climb for the day. I know I said that 2 hill climbs ago, but for sure this one. Oh, Mike made it down already. Twin hill. Here we go, Mike. Make it or don't make it. kind of powdery, little bit. Fool me.
Woohoo!
Too easy, bro. Too
Made
easy.
it.
Here we go. Here we go. Too easy.
Woohoo!
Too easy, bro. Too
Made
easy.
Okay, guys, that was it now.
That's the shit. That's the final last hill.
Oh, and the GoPro and die.
I said this 3 hills ago, but that was the final. Now we're gonna play drones. Yeah, that's the end of Micah's dirt bike show.